Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll dive into Surfer SEO, exploring its features, interface, and how it can boost your online presence. Surfer SEO is a robust tool for keyword research and content optimization, providing insights into search volume, keyword difficulty, and competitor analysis. It streamlines the SEO process, suggesting keywords and offering content guidelines, even auto-generating articles. Let's explore the interface, divided into key sections: navigation menu, overview dashboard, and site profiles. The focus today is on keyword research and content creation. Using Surfer's keyword research tool, you can discover relevant keywords and topics quickly. The content editor offers detailed guidelines for structuring articles, ensuring optimization for target keywords. Competitor analysis is crucial. Surfer identifies top-ranking domains, helping you shape content to match or outperform them. Integrating Surfer with Jasper AI streamlines content creation, generating draft posts effortlessly. Stay within the recommended word count for optimal results. That's the essence of Surfer SEO, simplifying keyword research and crafting high-quality content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insightful content.